Thank you, universe, for this beautiful new day. Thank you, universe, for the gift of life today. Thank you, universe, for waking me up with purpose. Thank you, universe, for fresh energy flowing through me. Thank you, universe, for today's endless possibilities. Thank you, universe, for a peaceful and calm morning. Thank you, universe, for this sacred beginning. Thank you, universe, for guiding me today. Thank you, universe, for protecting me always. Thank you, universe, for filling today with miracles. Thank you, universe, for the sunshine in my life. Thank you, universe, for the air I breathe. Thank you, universe, for the beauty around me. Thank you, universe, for my healthy body. Thank you, universe, for my calm and focused mind. Thank you, universe, for my positive thoughts. Thank you, universe, for my strong spirit. Thank you, universe, for my joyful heart. Thank you, universe, for my inner peace. Thank you, universe, for my radiant energy. Thank you, universe, for today's blessings. Thank you, universe, for new opportunities. Thank you, universe, for doors opening for me. Thank you, universe, for guiding my decisions. Thank you, universe, for clarity and direction. Thank you, universe, for my confidence today. Thank you, universe, for my courage to act. Thank you, universe, for my strength to grow. Thank you, universe, for my ability to succeed. Thank you, universe, for my focused actions. Thank you, universe, for the right people entering my life today. Thank you, universe, for positive interactions. Thank you, universe, for kindness all around me. Thank you, universe, for love flowing freely. Thank you, universe, for my supportive relationships. Thank you, universe, for peaceful communication. Thank you, universe, for meaningful connections. Thank you, universe, for respect and understanding. Thank you, universe, for harmony in my life. Thank you, universe, for emotional balance today. Thank you, universe, for abundance flowing to me today. Thank you, universe, for financial opportunities. Thank you, universe, for prosperity in my life. Thank you, universe, for my smart decisions. Thank you, universe, for my success today. Thank you, universe, for progress in my goals. Thank you, universe, for my disciplined actions. Thank you, universe, for my productivity. Thank you, universe, for my achievements. Thank you, universe, for rewarding outcomes. Thank you, universe, for my self-love today. Thank you, universe, for my confidence. Thank you, universe, for my self-worth. Thank you, universe, for my positive self-image. Thank you, universe, for my positive self-image. Thank you, universe, for my healing journey. Thank you, universe, for my emotional strength. Thank you, universe, for my growth mindset. Thank you, universe, for my patience. Thank you, universe, for my resilience. Thank you, universe, for my inner power. Thank you, universe, for my spiritual connection today. Thank you, universe, for divine guidance. Thank you, universe, for my faith. Thank you, universe, for my intuition. Thank you, universe, for my higher awareness. Thank you, universe, for my alignment. Thank you, universe, for my life. Thank you, universe, for divine timing. Thank you, universe, for my healthy habits today. Thank you, universe, for nourishing my body. Thank you, universe, for my active lifestyle. Thank you, universe, for my energy and stamina. Thank you, universe, for my balanced routine. Thank you, universe, for my focus and discipline. Thank you, universe, for my productive work. Thank you, universe, for my time management. Thank you, universe, for my restful moments. Thank you, universe, for my calm mind. Thank you, universe, for my courage to face challenges today. Thank you, universe, for my strength to overcome. Thank you, universe, for my calm reactions. Thank you, universe, for my patience in all situations. Thank you, universe, for my wisdom. Thank you, universe, for this magical day. Thank you, universe, for this magical day. Thank you, universe, for everything today.